Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a beginner friendly tutorial on how I do my passion twist. So as you can see, I'm starting off with making sure my parts are straight and cleaning it up with a little of my Ebin Braiding Gel. So once I'm done getting that part straight, I'm gonna make sure that I go in with some gel for each little section that I section off, and I put rubber bands over each of them. I think this first row was 4. So this is how your little ponytail should look towards the end. If you want the hair to be full, you have to make sure that you break layer everything like the way that I did. I made sure not to put too many rubber bands because I didn't want too many ponytails. Like I didn't want too many twists in her hair. I didn't want it to be too bulky. So as you can see, you first started off where you stick the crochet needle through, and then you take the hair and loop it onto the crochet needle and pull it back through the ponytail. So in the end, you should have one on one side and the other on the other side. And then I added a little gel to make sure that her real hair like goes into the twist, and then I just start to twist down. I make sure that the twist is tight because I don't want a loose twist in the end. So once you've twisted all the way down, this is what your passion twist should look like. It shouldn't look loose or anything. And as you can see, once I start doing this one and it ends, it's really loose looking, and I honestly don't know the reason for that. I don't know if I like twisted the wrong way, like didn't twist in the direction that the passion twist was going, or it just wasn't tight enough. Like I don't know, because I feel as if I twisted them all the same way. So I don't know why this one came out that way. A few of them actually came out this way. Okay, so as you can see, those first 3 passion twists were perfect. Like they looked great. And then I believe this is the one where once I finished the passion twist, it just was so like loose looking. And as you can see, I twisted it the same way that I twisted all the other ones, and actually a few of them ended up being like that. And I even tried to like take it down and, you know, twist in the other direction, and it still turned out like that. So I don't know if it's like because the passion twist hair was like 2 different directions, so once I started twisting it, it kind of like malfunction, like not malfunction, but you get what I mean. I don't know. And then right here I tried to show y'all like, oh, don't go that way, go the other way, like go in the direction that the twist is going. But once I finish this twist, it's going to look exactly the way that I told you not to do it. Like I don't know, so don't listen to me, y'all. But as y'all can see, over time that one just ended up loosening up like the others. But we got to the end of the hairdo, and I think it really turned out nice. And thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.